on, guys? T-Boy here. We're ice fishing up in Lake Nipissing. It's so cold. It's supposed to be minus 30. You're out here for like 2 minutes and you're feeling it. It's so cold. It's like 6 o'clock. Been here since about 3. Just basically set up. We're relaxing now. Gonna cook some dinner. Got fajitas for dinner tonight. And then that'll be it. Just call it a night. And then wake up and do it again tomorrow. So I had to get back inside the hut. Good morning, it's 7 a.m. Just woke up. Had a great sleep in the ice hut, which is behind me right there. This beautiful sunrise coming up. Slept well. It's really warm in there. So I was on the top bunk, so it was nice and warm. Oh, it's a good night. We're just starting to boil some water for coffee. And we're watching the sunrise here at the other end of the lake. It's just beautiful. So we're just packing up, taking off. It's 9 a.m. Last day that we're here, just waiting for our pickup and the sled. It's been a good trip. Slept well again last night. It's ridiculously cold again. Fishing wasn't great. Probably caught 10 fish the whole weekend, but nothing great. Nothing we can keep. Nothing over 18 inches. So it was good. Anyways, gonna wrap this one up. Thanks for watching, and see you on the next one.